Nintendo is making big moves, and gamers are eager to see what's next. The company has officially announced the Switch 2, and it's shaping up to be a game-changer. With an expected 13% profit increase, Nintendo is looking at a strong fiscal year, driven largely by the success of its upcoming console. Analysts predict that the company will sell 15 million units, proving that the Switch 2 is already generating massive excitement among fans. The Switch 2 is set to launch on June 5th, bringing significant improvements over its predecessor. Nintendo has confirmed that the console will feature a bigger screen and better graphics, providing a smoother and more immersive gaming experience. The highly anticipated game Mario Kart World will be one of its launch titles, giving players a fresh way to enjoy the iconic racing series. This upgrade is expected to attract both longtime Nintendo fans and new players looking for a high-quality gaming experience. Despite challenges in the industry, Nintendo remains committed to making the Switch 2 a success. The company has paused U.S. pre-orders while assessing the impact of the U.S. China trade war. This move reflects Nintendo's caution in navigating global economic shifts, ensuring they can deliver the console efficiently while minimizing risks. However, despite rising tariffs and industry uncertainties, Nintendo has decided to keep the price at $449.99. This decision is notable, as competitors like Microsoft and Sony have recently raised their console prices in response to supply chain issues and inflation. Demand for the Switch 2 is already soaring, especially in Japan, where lottery applications indicate strong interest. The enthusiasm surrounding the console suggests that Nintendo's strategy is working, setting up the Switch 2 for a highly successful launch. The company has also projected 45 million software sales in the current financial year, signaling confidence in its upcoming game lineup. If the new titles capture the same magic as Nintendo's previous hits, the company could see even greater success. As the gaming industry evolves, Nintendo is ensuring it stays ahead of the competition. The Switch 2 represents a new chapter in gaming, offering exciting upgrades while maintaining the core features fans love. With its improved performance, high demand, and strong software lineup, the console has the potential to define the next era of gaming. The big question now is, will the Switch 2 live up to the hype? Nintendo fans and gamers around the world are eagerly waiting to find out.